After setting up the parameters of our flow simulation, we are now ready to run our flow simulation. So to run the flow simulation, we have to right click on the project title, which is here is Beetle, and then click run. So we are going to set new calculation, okay, and then run. So when the calculation is running, it will appear like this, okay. We can see on the right plane what it look like, okay. So this is on the right plane, right? Now the solver is finished. It means that the calculation is already done. So we can see what is the result of the leaf by clicking the leaf, the side force, as well as the drag force. Okay. So these are the value of our drag force. So our drag force is we got 1187 Newton. Our lift is 93.05 Newton, and our side force is 26.56 Newton. So if you notice, the lift is a positive number, so therefore it's really a lift. But in case this is become a negative number, then it becomes a down force, right? So let's return to our SolidWorks and see the other result, okay? In order for us to select properly the base or the surface of the car, we are going to hide our wind tunnel. So just right click on the wind tunnel and you see this eye symbol. We can change the transparency. We make it transparent. All right. So now our wind tunnel is transparent. We can select the base of the car if we needed to. All right. So the first thing that we have to see, if we want to check whether the flow of the wind or the air is correct, so we are going to insert flow trajectory. Insert. So we can change the pipe into spears, into arrows, or even flat arrows or line with arrows. So let's say we want the line with arrows, and then the size is 0.2 meter. I'm going to change it to 0.8, or I just make it 0.1, okay, 0.1 meter. And then on this, we have to select the base of the car. So we can select the bottom of the car, okay. So all on the bottom we can select. We can also select the side of the car and also behind, and also the wheels we can select, okay, the window. All right, so we go on the front or the top part. We can select all faces that we see. This is where the wind will flows. Small things you don't need to select, okay, unless you're going to analyze that particular area. If not, then just leave it, okay. The side mirror, if you want to check later the flow of wind over here. Right, so you have to select everything. If you make the windshield glass, you cannot select it, okay. So better when you run simulation, don't change the material into glass, just maintain the block. Similarly, the wheel. Okay, the small end, no need to select. The bumper. All right, and then we go behind the side mirror. No need the other side mirror. Okay, side mirror. So we select some, this area. All right, then we go behind. So on the behind. Okay, that's enough. All right, then we check. Okay, now it's already calculated. So this is the flow trajectory. So we can see that the direction of the wind is correct. So the red color, it means it is a high pressure. So this is the color of the pressure. The low pressure is a blue color. So in this case, the low pressure that we can see is on the roof over there. Okay. So on the bottom, it's got also low pressure on the bottom. If we want to see the pressure on top of the car as well as on the bottom of the car, we can insert surface parameters, and then we select pressure, and we select the top view of the car. Okay, so whatever we see on top view, we can just select. If we want to compare the pressure of the bottom of the car as well as the top of the car. All right, we select all that we can see from the top. Can also select the bumper. All right, side mirror, no need. Okay, this is enough. So if you want to show, then show. Okay, so this is the pressure of top of the car. So we got the maximum pressure is 101,668 PA, and the average is 101,22212 PA. Now the surface area is 7.97 meters square, right? So that's it. If we want to compare on the bottom, we can also select on the bottom the same procedure, and this will be on our next video.